Finance Deputy Minister KUTYA Mnangagwa has pleaded with legislators in the National Assembly to be patient with government and wait for the exchange rate management system to be mapped out. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The MPs were questioning why the ministry was delaying in coming up with a monetary policy document which is expected to deal with the current inflation and exchange rate disparities. ZANU-PF Zaka North MP Ophias Murambiwa told the House that a civil servant was currently earning 333,000 RTGS, which was equivalent to $60, but had been reduced to just $5 due to high inflationary environment. A civil servant earns a component of $300, which is taxable, plus the RTGS part, which has been wiped out as the local currency continues to depreciate in value. This is today's news about the MPs in the National Assembly pressuring KUTYA Mnangagwa on the expected monetary policy statement. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.